Assalamualaikum and good evening. My name is Muhammad Karika and I will explain about how to measure this voltage using the Agilent Oscilloscope. First, we need to conduct a circuit as shown in the figure 1b. Then first we need to put out the DC power component, ground component, and resistor component. Then we also need to put up the Agilent Oscilloscope. Okay, rotate both resistors to make it easier to connect it with all the components. Okay, connect all components together. Then we need to set up the value as shown in the figure 1b. So for the V1, we need to put the 10 volt 10 resistor 1, 4k ohm and 10% tolerance. And also for the resistor 2, 1k ohm and 10% tolerance. Okay, after we complete the circuit, we need to run circuit to get the reading. Double click at the Agilent Oscilloscope, and this is a Agilent Oscilloscope. Okay, how to get the reading? So we click the power button to on the Agilent Oscilloscope. Click the two button to get ready for the these two sources. Okay, we need to make sure that the coupling is DC, and then click the quick measure and click the source 1, click the arrow button maximum to get the maximum value for source 1. For source 2, also do the same thing, but click source 2 and click the maximum button, and we get the voltage for source 2, which is 2 volt. So we put the reading that we get the circuit into the table. This is, okay, put here 10 and 2 volt. That's all for me. Thank you.